Hey, Harleigh.
Oh, hey, Joe.
Oh, it's great to catch you here. Can we ask you some questions?
Yeah, of course you can. Go ahead.
Awesome. So when did you start working in rail?
I started working in rail 11 years ago, actually.
Okay, so 11 years and counting. You must love it.
Yeah, I do. I find it really fascinating and interesting, actually.
Cool. All right, so what's your role?
My role is the Queensland Services Supply Chain Manager, and I work for Alstom.
Okay, and so what do you do?
Yeah, so supply chain is to ensure that we've got materials available on time when they require them and delivering to the line.
Okay, when you say materials, can you give me some examples?
Yeah, so there's electrical components, there's mechanical components, design materials. Yeah, there's a whole list.
All right, quite a lot. All right, which describes you best? Just in time or just in case?
Definitely just in time.
Okay, why is that?
So I'm one of those people that set my clock like 5 minutes before, and I actually know that I've done that, so I'm always arriving just in time.
Well, whatever works.
Yeah.
So do you have a career highlight?
Yeah, definitely. A career highlight for me would be when we met a major project milestone. We obviously worked really hard and it was fantastic. We met the deliverable. Yeah.
Excellent. How was the celebration when that happened?
Oh, really great, actually. We had a barbecue and we got a cake and everyone got together and celebrated.
Oh, sounds fun. All right. So what's next for you, Harleigh?
Oh, next for me. I'm actually getting married in 2 weeks. Yeah, and going on a honeymoon. So super exciting.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
So who's going to do your job while you're away?
Yeah, my team. They're so efficient and so amazing. Yeah, so they'll be doing my job when I'm away. Yeah.
Perfect. Would you rather play tennis with Ash Barty or take a fast lap of Albert Park with Daniel Ricciardo?
Definitely take a fast lap with Daniel Ricciardo.
Okay, why is that?
Yeah, so there's way more to that. So I find Formula One really fascinating when it comes to supply chain because there's moving parts every single weekend and globally. So it's really quite interesting and I find it really challenging for them. And I apply that here in rail as well. You know, we've got many moving components and parts all over the world. It's really interesting.
It's quite the inspiration.
Yeah.
All right, one final question. What advice would you give your 20-year-old self?
Oh, yeah. I would say to my 20-year-old self to be courageous and be patient. So if you're striving for something and it doesn't work out the way that you thought it would, don't stress. Just keep going, be positive, and it will happen in its own time.
Oh, what great advice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Harleigh. We'll get out of your way.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Joe.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.